Okay, so we're using these bakery boxes for packing desserts, and they're going to make everything look way more put together with almost no effort. So the size is really large. It's a 10 by 10 by 2.5 inches. So it's perfect for things like chocolate covered strawberries or cookies or small pies or pastries. They come flat, but they pop up instantly. So you're not spending time trying to fold complicated boxes. You just open them and they're kind of ready to go. You just put in each little corner tab and you're good. The clear window on top is a nice touch too. It lets you see what's inside without opening the box, which makes them great for gifts or for selling. What stood out to me in these is that they're sturdy enough to hold desserts without collapsing. It's a clean, professional look, and the window shows off your treats, so it's quick, no hassle assembly. We were sent these to test out, and these worked really well for party treats, gifted baked goods, or a small business packaging. They give that bakery style look without needing anything extra. I absolutely love the stickers with them too. It says handmade with love, and that just is kind of like the icing on the cake. It makes it the perfect gift giving solution.